हांगा 100-500 वर्सां पयलींची घरां आसात ती नश्ट जातली, तांकां लुकसाण भरपाय मेळटली काय ना ह्या एलिना सल्डानाच्या विधानाचेर पोर्तुगीज जेन्ना गोंयांत आयले तेन्ना तांणी हांकां खूब नाशाडी केली. हांगा लोक 10,000 वर्सां सावन रावतात. तुम्ही पाखल्यांनी हांगा येवन नाशाडी केली ह्या अजय कुमार सिंग हांच्या विधानाचेर आक्षेप घेत एलिना सल्डानान आपूण गोंयकार आनी भारतीय आसा, पुर्तुगेज न्हय अशी जाप दिवन आक्षेप घेतलो. RDX खातीर वास्कोच्यान प्रसाद नायक.
100 years old, 500 years old. How are we going to compensate heritage, sir?
In India, there are houses which are 5,000 years old.
Okay.
I'm
not saying
Goa
but that doesn't mean our houses should be destroyed.
Goans,
500
just listen to me.
years old.
Goans were an invading force in India. They came 500 years or whenever. But Indians were they were living here 10,000. When you all came, you all also must have destroyed so many houses here. The Portuguese. Not you.
Sir.
Not you.
I'm an
So
Indian.
this thing goes ups and downs.
Sir,
Yeah.
I am an Indian. I'm
So
not a Portuguese.
that is why I'm saying that.
No, because you said it.
No, I was talking about history.
No, I take objection to that statement.
Okay, I'll withdraw
Yes.
that.
I
I'll withdraw that.
From Goa,
Yes.
I am an Indian.
Okay, so
Yes.
no doubt.
No, because you said.
No, I said
You
I
made
was
that
talking about history.
statement.
It's a fact, as you said, reality. The
No,
Portuguese
we
came,
fought-
they killed Indians,
we
they killed the
fought
locals.
for liberation.
Okay,
sir.
ma'am. Okay, thank
And
you.
we have to be fully liberated.
No, now finish. The meeting is finished.
This statement, well, I definitely take a strong objection. He said, you Portuguese. We are not Portuguese. We are the people of Goa and we are Indians.
Will you raise
There
this
is no doubt we were under the Portuguese rule for several years and we got ourselves liberated.
Will you raise this issue in assembly or anywhere else?
Otherwise, you can also raise issue in railway minister.
Yes, I will raise this issue, but I don't think this issue is such a big issue, but definitely I would like to tell, because I think this is one of the basic reasons why Goa is being taken for granted. They are supposed to be Portuguese, so who cares for them? Only the Indians should be cared for. We are 100% and more Indians.